Welcome to my fifth tutoring session in A-level chemistry. In this video, I'll give a detailed explanation about the size of the atom and its subatomic particles. The fundamental structure of atom consists of a central nucleus that contains positively charged protons and electrically neutral neutrons, with the negatively charged electrons orbiting around the nucleus in their respective shells or energy levels. Now, atoms and their subatomic particles are incredibly small, and it's challenging to grasp their sizes due to their microscopic nature. Do you know how many hydrogen atoms a single pinhead can accommodate? It's amazing to think that a pinhead can contain about 5 million hydrogen atoms. I will compare the size of the atom with its subatomic particles in angstroms. And remember, 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. And I'll be considering an analogy to illustrate the relative sizes of atoms and their subatomic particles. And the analogy that I'll be considering is that of a football stadium. Now here's the analogy to illustrate the relative sizes of atoms and their subatomic particles. Now if the atom were the size of a football stadium, the nucleus of the atom would be roughly equivalent to the marble that we placed at the center of the field, and proton or neutron would be the size of a pinpoint located at the center of the stadium, and electron being the tiniest of all the subatomic particles. And I will leave it to your imagination to consider an analogy to illustrate the relative size of electron in comparison to the size of the atom. Now the diameter of the atom is 10 to the power of minus 10 meters, that is 1 angstrom, while the diameter of nucleus is 10 to the power of minus 14 meters, which is 10,000 times smaller than an atom. The diameter of the proton neutron is 10 to the power of minus 15 meters, which is 100,000 times smaller than an atom. And the diameter of the electron is 10 to the power of minus 18 meters, which is 100 million times smaller than an atom. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll meet you in my next interesting tutoring session.